Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. Just keep saying this. Just keep saying this. Really? Really? Beware. Beware. Well done. Well done. It happened long ago. It happened long ago. It's a long story. It's a long story. He does not listen to me. He does not listen to me. He fell at my feet. He fell at my feet. He made me difficult to live. He made me difficult to live. Where is he? Where is he? He could hardly see. He could hardly see. He always boasts. He always boasts. The game ended in a draw. The game ended in a draw. That's the question. That's the question. He has been turned out of the house. He has been turned out of the house. Hurry up. Hurry up. All of them have been punished. All of them have been punished. Who stood security for him? Who stood security for him? He is as good as his word. He is as good as his word. He does what he says. He does what he says. Where are you now? Where are you now? When did you come? When did you come? Are you coming? Are you coming? Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Do you know? Do you know? What do you mean? What do you mean? Did you understand? Did you understand? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Judgment will come out tomorrow. Judgment will come out tomorrow. He is expected to come here today. He is expected to come here today. Now there are cases of fever in every family. Now there are cases of fever in every family. I am much obliged to you. I am much obliged to you. Is it a holiday today? Is it a holiday today? Are you inside? Are you inside? Shall we begin? Shall we begin? Of course. Of course. Don't call me again. Don't call me again. Could you take me to his house? Could you take me to his house? Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Do not let me down. Do not let me down. Should I bring it? Should I bring it? I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no choice. I have no choice. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. My mouth is watering. My mouth is watering. I did not say this. I did not say this. When can I have it? When can I have it? I will fix it up. I will fix it up. I feel so. I feel so. May I accompany you? May I accompany you? I will be right there. I will be right there. I have given him my words. I have given him my words. Are you angry? Are you angry? How are you? How are you? You did fairly well. You did fairly well. Won't you go? Won't you go? Won't means will not. How dare you? How dare you? By your grace. By your grace. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. Walls to have ears. Walls to have ears. How is the family? How is the family? There is nepotism in every sector. There is nepotism in every sector. Why fear if in love? Why fear if in love? Stop nonsense. Stop nonsense. There is a passage through the house. There is a passage through the house. Nothing special. Nothing special. It's even awful to think about. It's even awful to think about. Don't shed false tears. Don't shed false tears. Come what may. Come what may. No matter what happens. No matter what happens. Whatever happens is for good. Whatever happens is for good. Whatever happens is for the better. Whatever happens is for the better. What have you got for dinner? What have you got for dinner? What is for dinner? What is for dinner? The judgment was postponed. The judgment was postponed. As far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned. I will be back soon. I will be back soon. Thank God. Thank God. Ups and downs are part of life. Ups and downs are part of life. It is impossible to sell at this price. It is impossible to sell at this price. One thing is for sure. One thing is for sure. No, not at all. No, not at all. What now? What now? Who is it? Who is it? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? Let the matter drop. Let the matter drop. That's all nonsense. That's all nonsense. Who is there? Who is there? Has he got a phone? Has he got a phone? How dirty! How dirty! Whom to meet? Whom to meet? What nonsense! What nonsense! What drink will you have? What drink will you have? What's the matter? What's the matter? How lovely! How lovely! How to go? How to go? How to start? How to start? How nice! How nice! Keep the dog chained. Keep the dog chained. Where to stay? Where to stay? Where to sit? Where to sit? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English. He was asleep. What is he doing these days? He can be sent by his uncle. I work in a bank. The matter has become serious. I reached after them. He can't stand before me. I will come after you leave. I didn't make this remark. I am very happy with you. I will leave by 6 o'clock. She will study in Japan. You are so innocent. Who wants to meet me? I live in Mumbai. He will come home in 2021. We have read it in the book. I left the company in June 2016. How do you go to office? How do you go to office? I saw this photograph in a news channel. I saw this photograph in a news channel. He was standing before me. He was standing before me. What's so special in it? What's so special in it? Did you try? Did you try? I go to gym by 6 p.m. I go to gym by 6 p.m. Lisa was a good girl. Lisa was a good girl. I was going to gym by bike. I was going to gym by bike. I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. He will leave in half an hour. He will leave in half an hour. She is going into the office. She is going into the office. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. He is coming by afternoon flight. He is coming by afternoon flight. Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. It's kind of you. It's kind of you. I found no songs in my laptop. I found no songs in my laptop. He can't stand in front of me. He can't stand in front of me. Now I am standing before you. Now I am standing before you. He was sitting before his mother. He was sitting before his mother. The song is there in your laptop. He was scolded by his father. He was scolded by his father. The train will reach after time. The train will reach after time. How is the weather in Brazil? How is the weather in Brazil? I was after my professor. I was after my professor. The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. He met John after 11. He met John after 11. How long will you take to reach there? How long will you take to reach there? I will come before you leave. I will come before you leave. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. I was born in March. I was born in March. She is standing in front of me. She is standing in front of me. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.